It's early. The trucks are getting loaded, the crews are showing up, and the day is already moving. But in LAWNSNOWAPP, you don't have to rebuild the schedule every morning. The work starts with the customer. Their property tells us where the work happens, and their service plan tells LAWNSNOWAPP what needs to be done, how often it needs to happen, and what it costs. Maybe it's weekly mowing for $85. Customer, property, service plan. Put those together, and LAWNSNOWAPP creates the recurring jobs. The job is where the work gets scheduled and assigned to the crew that will actually do it. Set it up once, and LAWNSNOWAPP keeps carrying the work forward. So when you open the command center in the morning, your recurring jobs are already there, and they're already assigned to the crews that normally handle them. You don't have to touch every job every day. You have oversight. You can see what's scheduled, where your crews are headed, and what work needs to get done. And when something changes, because something always changes, you make the adjustment, move a job, change the order, switch the crew. LAWNSNOWAPP handles the routine. You handle the exceptions. Then the crew lead opens the crew portal and starts their day. The work you've already set in motion is waiting for them. Where they're going, what they're doing, what the customer expects. They get to work, they complete the job. And back at the office, you can see that it's done. No rebuilding the schedule, no chasing down assignments, no entering the same information over and over again. Customer, property, service plan, job, crew, done. Touch it once whenever possible. Let LAWNSNOWAPP carry the work forward, run the work, build the job, keep customers in the loop. LAWNSNOWAPP.com